Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Tag Manager to Shopify. First, go to your Google Tag Manager account and open the container you want to use. Copy the two code snippets provided, one for the head tag and one for the body tag. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Online Store in the left-hand menu, then select Themes. Click the three dots next to your active theme and choose Edit Code. In the code editor, open the theme.liquid file under the Layout folder. Paste the first snippet right after the opening head tag. Paste the second snippet right after the opening body tag. Click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how to add Google Tag Manager to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.